We'll guide you through how to fix iPad touchscreen not working. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as you're then unable to go and use your iPad. You may be thinking that it's broken or something like that, but don't worry as we've got a fix which will often go and solve it. I've always had it solve it for me. So what we're going to try doing is performing a forced restart. This goes and restarts the whole device and we don't need to use the touchscreen. So to go and get started, you need to go and locate the volume rockers on the iPad. We need to press increase, then decrease and hold down the side power button. Now keep this held down. As you can see, it says slide to power off. If your iPad's frozen, it may not, but just keep that power button held down. Shortly, it's going to go black. You can go and keep it held down. When you see the Apple icon like so, you can go and release. And now it's going to go and start. When it starts, try using the touchscreen and hopefully now it's working. It's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.